Ya kat Tamasa Shillong Literary Festival Kabasau la Pynlong Hanan Polok mentakasngi. Ya kani kat Tamasa la peli pajba dokumentari rangba gejala u Konrad Gesangma. Ha kani kasngi la ya don langru dokumentari katanat jengok kai perthei u ba pualingdo u nong thok kot bat nong thok poetry u ba pau u Vikram Set bat ka nong thok kot ka pau nam ka Shubh Hadi. Kani kasngi ka longkum ka cing sedang jong jing rakhi ka bapen I ya ka thok katar bat ka kolshor ka barios pa jong gejala Mikhalia. Ha ga jing kren sedang jong u Konrad Sangma ula ong ba ka jing thmu ba kong san e jong kani ka Tamasa ka long ban wan ya lam lang ya ki nong thok kot jingi baro bat ban ai haki ya kren san namar ba ki brio jong kani ka jela ki don ya ka jing sngo tanat ka sap bat kham tam e ka jing thrang ban thok bantar bat kani kren san ka bala long ha ka dur jong ka Tamasa Literary Festival kan penslur yaki ban ya samdem ya ka thok katar jongki.
Ever think that I'm not that good, please give it a shot. Go ahead with what you believe and what you feel for, and I'm sure that this particular festival will give you that platform to really explore those opportunities that you and the passion that you have. So with these words, wishing you all the very best, thanking all our writers who have come here today and the organizing committee for a wonderful program. Thank you very much.
Unong thok kot ba pau nam u Vikram